Okay, so I've been debugging this issue and I just want to record the resolution for it. So here's the scenario. You have your laptop device connected to this Focusrite or this audio interface. And then this audio interface is connected to your Denon receiver using these cables, RCA cables. And let's say I have it connected to, this is the game number 4, if you could see that. Okay, and so the issue that you're having is that when you play audio, even though this is working, it's not outputting to the Denon receiver. Okay, so after taking 30 minutes to debug this, I finally found out the reason why this is the case. So what you want to do is on the Denon receiver, go on to, I think it was options or setup or options. I'm not sure which one goes to this menu, I forgot. But then here you want to go on the inputs setup, go on input assign, and then here you see a number 4 that it will only input via HDMI. So it's not really looking at the analog input. So what you want to do here is unassign the HDMI like this. And then for the analog, you want to choose the input number that you chose earlier, so number 4. Now you see it says analog on the input mode. Okay, then go back and that will save the settings. Okay? Then once you save the settings,
and today
it should
we
now
have
work.
a very special guest. Do you want to introduce yourself to our audience?
Yes.
So yeah, that's how you fix the issue where audio is not playing from the analog inputs. Okay, but just to note, if you are using the HDMI 4 input, then that might cause issues if you're also using the analog input, in which case you may want to reassign the HDMI input. Alright, that's all. Thank you.